Welcome to the Tempida sharing video. We at Tempida realize that the sharing of templates is a very important feature of Tempida. Our goal is to create a nationwide library of templates for various specialties to make it fast and easy to document patient visits no matter what type of EMR system they're on. This video will go over the sharing features of Tempida. There are multiple different ways you can share templates in Tempida. The first and easiest is to simply share a template as a public template. To do that, whenever you're in the template and you hit a save or save as, simply select Save as Public. This will then put it into public category, which then will make it available to every user on the system. Even though a template is shared publicly, you still have complete access and control of it. Users will be able to make a private copy for themselves and then work on the private copy, but only the owner of a template in Tempida can make permanent changes to the original. We realize that initially after the launch of Tempida, many specialties will not have many templates available, and we encourage users that do create templates for these specialties to share them. So we have other advanced sharing features that allow for this, and even allow for payment for a library of templates that you've put some work and effort into creating. Let's go over how to share templates outside of making them public. First, let's go over some sharing features in the open dialog. When the open dialog opens, the initial tab that's opened is the Mine tab. The Mine tab will show you all templates that you own, whether they're public or private. In this way, it's easy to get access to all your own templates. The Public tab will show you all publicly available templates in your selected specialty. If you want, you can change the specialty to view templates in another specialty. The Downloads column shows you the popularity of a template. The download count is incremented whenever a user makes a private copy of a public template. The Shared tab is where templates shared with you are located. This will show all templates shared with you that were created by another user. But how do you actually get templates into the Shared tab? We'll go over this next. The sharing features of Tempida are accessed from the Other menu. Simply click on the Other menu and select Sharing to access the sharing features. This is the Manage Sharing dialog. There are two tabs here. My Share shows the people that you have shared your templates with, and Shared with Me shows other people that have shared their templates with you. If you want to share your templates with somebody, go back to the My Shares tab, and then click this button. This will allow you to share your templates with another person. To share your templates with another person, simply type in their email address, the same one that they use to register with Tempida, and then select the share type. There are three separate share types you can use when sharing your templates with another user. The first type of share is called trial. When you share templates with another user in trial mode, it allows them to view your templates but doesn't allow them to use them. For example, they'll be able to see how your templates are set up and be able to select the fields in a template, but they won't be able to go into preview mode in order to export them to the clipboard, and they won't be able to go into design mode in order to view the design of a template. They also will not be able to save a private copy for themselves. We at Tempida believe that you should be rewarded for your hard work in creating templates. And we do encourage the sale of a library of templates that you've created and spent some time and effort in making. For example, let's suppose you created a library of 100 templates that you've spent a lot of time making. A good strategy to employ to sell these to other users in your specialty would be to take a few of these templates, let's say 5 to 10, and make them publicly available. Then, in the header of each template, put down your name and contact information like your email, and that you have other templates in this category that you're willing to sell. Then that user can contact you via email and request to see your library of templates. And when they do, share your templates in trial mode. By doing this, you can show them your entire library of templates, but they're not really usable for the end user in this mode. If they decide to purchase these templates from you, you and the other user can work out a financial arrangement which can be completed outside of Tempida. For example, you can use an app like Venmo or any other monetary app, or even have the user send you a check for payment. Once you have received payment, you can change the share type to a different type other than trial. There's two other share types that are available. The second is normal. Using the normal share type, a user will be able to see all of your templates and also go into preview mode in order to use your templates. Remember, going into preview mode allows the user to copy the text of the end document to the clipboard for export into their EHR system. But in normal mode, the user will not be able to make a private copy of the template for themselves, and therefore cannot make modifications to your template. The final share type is called copyable. The copyable mode allows the user to go into preview mode in order to export documents to the clipboard, but also allows the user to make private copies of that template for themselves and therefore modify that private copy and save changes. Remember, the original copy can only be changed by the original owner. The copyable mode is also useful if you want to share templates with your colleague and you want them to have full access to the templates. This way they can make a private copy for themselves and make any changes they need and save that private copy. The My Shares tab in the Manage Sharing area will list all the people that you have shared your templates with and which mode those templates are being shared in. To change the mode, simply select the radio button you want. To delete the sharing of templates with a particular user, click the Unlink button. The great thing about sharing templates with somebody is that if you make changes to the original template, then all the people that you've shared that template with also receive those changes. The Shared With Me tab shows other people that have shared templates with you and what mode they are shared in. To delete this sharing with another person, simply click the Unlink button. This concludes this video on Tempida sharing. Please go to the Help menu to view other informative videos about Tempida.